सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 3, verse number 38. धूमेनाव्रियते वह्निः यथादर्शो मलेन च यथोल्बेनावृतो गर्भः तथा तेनेदमावृतम्. In this Karma Yoga topic, now Lord Krishna from 37 onwards up to 43, verse number 43, Lord Krishna answering the Arjuna's question. What was the Arjuna's question? In the 36th he has asked a question. Adhakena prayuktoyam. So that question, Adhakena prayuktoyam papam charati purushaha. Why the person take to the wrong actions in his life? Even though he is not interested, he knows those actions are wrong, I should not do, he knows. But still, what is that force make him to do wrong actions? For that Lord Krishna answering from 37th onwards. That instigator of wrong actions is Kama and Krodha. Kama means desire, Krodha means anger. This Kama, this Krodha alone, anger, that Kama, unfulfilled Kama converted into anger. Somebody nicely said, anger is that which has got one letter less than danger. The danger, D is less, that's all, in anger. If you add D to the anger, what will happen? Danger. So anger is called danger. One letter is less, that's all. Nicely said, somebody. So, how this Kama and Krodha bond, what is the cause for them? Rajoguna. Rajasic nature of the person alone is the cause. Whenever we get anger, now we can know we have Rajasic nature. Rajasic guna. Rajoguna means hyperactivity, restlessness. That hyperactivity, restlessness, anxiety is because of Rajoguna. Then what type of this Kama and Krodha? It is Maha Ashanaha, Maha Papma. Maha Ashanaha means it has, you can never satisfy that. Ashanaha means the glutton, that which wants more and more, insatiable, is called Maha Ashanaha. You can take this Kama, converted into Krodha, leads to Lobha. Unfulfilled Kama or fulfilled Kama also leads to Lobha, greediness. The person, whoever is having greedy, he is a Maha Ashanaha. A greedy person wants always, takes everything from others. Greedy person. That is called Lobha. Here it is not there in this shloka. Lobha is not there. But we have to supply. Maha Ashanaha means Lobhatvat Maha Ashanaha. Wants more and more, dissatisfied however much he gets. No satisfaction, no trupti at all. for that person because of lobha, greediness. Maha papma, that which is very sinful, which is the cause for their wrong actions, sinful actions. Maha papma. Therefore what, Arjuna? You understand, these both are, three are you can keep. Kama, Krodha, Lobha also you can add. All three of them are your enemies. Vairinam iti vidhi. Vairinam iti vidhi. Vidhyena miha vairinam. Iha means in this janma, in this loka, in this world, understand they are enemies of a person. So, when there are enemies, what do you have to do? Handle them properly. Take care of yourself from the enemies. So, therefore, Lord Krishna warning every one of us. This kama alone is the cause. Finally, we have to understand this kama krodha is because of what? Ignorance, ajnana. Final. Ajnana is the cause for rajoguna, rajoguna is the cause for kama, kama is the cause for krodha, krodha is the cause for lobha. Because of that, person takes to wrong actions. Arjuna, you understand. What is the reason? This is the reason. There is a beautiful shloka. Another commentator writes in his Bhagavad Gita commentary, how a person is not having satisfaction at all, always he wants and he compares with others. That shloka tells like this, beautiful shloka. Nishvosheka shatam shati dashashatam. The person, whoever is not having 100 rupees, Nishvaha means dhana rahitaha. Nishvoha ekashatam. Or 100 irunda paravale. He always thinks like that. The person who is not having a pie at all, he wants 100 rupees. Nishvo ekashatam. Okay, after getting 100 rupees, Shati, the person whoever is having 100 rupees, Shati, Dashashatam, 10 hundreds irunda nalla irkum. If there are 10 hundreds, I am happy. Shati, Dashashatam. Okay, Dashashatam has come. Are you happy? No, no. Laksham Sahasradhipaha. That Dashashatam, he wants to get lakhs later. Sahasradhipaha, Laksham. Then lakhs, he wants thousands to lakhs. Then are you happy with lakhs? No. Lakshesha kshiti palatam. Lakshesha means the one whoever is having lakhs, he is not happy. So they will join in the political party. They want to rule that land, earth. MPs, MLAs. So, Kshiti Palatam. They want to rule the kingdom. Kshiti Palatam. Kshiti Patis Chakreshavat Sampadam. This ruler, the one who rules the kingdom, he is happy? No, no. He want to become the Indra. No, not Indra, Chakravarti. Chakresha means Chakravarti. Kshitipatis Chakreshavat Sampadam. Chakravarti Sampada. Wealth and prosperity that Chakravarti who has got. Chakravarti means emperor. So the ruler is inferior, subordinate to Chakravarti. Chakravarti is one, emperor is one, whoever is having under him lot of villages, lot of kingdoms are there under him. He is Chakravarti. Ruler and only one country, one kingdom. So you know the difference between kingdom, Chakravarti and the ruler? Emperor is different, ruler is different. So this ruler want to become emperor. So where he has started? From 100 to thousands to lakhs to then ruler, then Chakravarti. Are you happy Chakravarti? No. Chakresha Punarindratam Surapati Brahmaspadam vanchati. This Chakresha, the emperor, Chakravarti, Chakresha Punarindratam. I want to become Indra. What is this ordinary local here? If I become emperor, I am not happy. I want to become Indra in the Swargaloka. Heaven. That is his desire. Then Poni Indra is happy. No, Surapati, Lord of Devas. Surapati, Brahmaspadam vanchati. He desire, vanchati, he desire Brahmaspadam. Means Brahma Padavi. The Brahmaji post. So Indra mele and the Brahma Lokatila, Brahma is there. He wants Brahma's post. Okay, are you happy Brahmaji? If you ask, no. Brahma Vishnu Padam Harir Hara Padam. Brahma always thinks, I am not happy. See, the Vishnu only is happy. So he wants a Vishnu post. When can I become there? Like a Vishnu. Brahma Vishnu Padam Harir Hara Padam. Sorry, Vishnu and Hari. Hari is happy. No. Shiva is great. Harihi Harapadam. So therefore, person is not at all happy. Trishna avadhi ko gataha. It is the Trishna. Avadhi ko gataha. Who knows the end, boundary of the Trishna, desire of a human being? No end at all. Adahana Shlokam. So this is what we have to know. That's why Kama, English la Kama ke Kama. No full stop anardam. Kama means what? No full stop. Go on increase. Puriyalayo? Kama anna English la it is not no full stop anardam. So nama Sanskrit Kama, English Kama meaning correct irukku. Indha Kama ki end kediyadu. Andha Kama ki end kediyadu. Poinde irukum. Adu madri, okay. So therefore, when that Kama covered by what he says in this 38th shloka, now Katham Shatruhu, Kaha Shatruhu, answer over. Who is the real enemy of this person who instigating the wrong actions? That is Kama Krodha. Then here he says how they are enemies to us. Katham Shatruhu, here he gives answer. Dhumena avriyate varnihi. This Kama covers the person just as the smoke covers. Dhumena, by the smoke. Dhuma means smoke. Avriyate, covered, enveloped, veiling. Avriyate. Vannihi. What is covered by the smoke? Vanni means fire. Fire is covered by the smoke. You do not know there is fire. Similarly, our Kama, Krodha only are covering our Viveka. Dhumena avriyate vannihi. This is the first example. The second example he gives is, now the smoke is compared to desire. That covering the fire is compared to our discrimination. Fire is compared to discrimination. Just as the fire is covered by the smoke, our discrimination also covered by the desire. Second example, yatha, just as Adarshaha means mirror. Adarshaha, mirror. Malena cha avriyate. That avriyate you have to supply. Avriyate. Malena means dirt. Avritaha you can supply. Adarshaha malena avritaha. Covered by that dirt. Adarsha means mirror. Mirror, just as the mirror is covered by the dirt. So mirror is compared to here the Viveka. Dirt is compared to dust, is compared to desire. So coated with dust like kama. Mirror like intellect. Intellect and buddhi, viveka. Mirror like intellect covered by, coated by, or coated with dust like kama. Okay, second example over. Then third example he says, yatha ulbena garbhaha avritaha. Just as within the womb the baby is covered by the garbha, fetus. The baby is covered by the garbha, womb. Baby cannot move inside freely. So within the womb the baby is incapable of functioning. Similarly, our viveka, baby, also is not able to function because of the desire. Garbha is covered. Baby cannot move inside. Now buddhi kuda cannot function. Adi madri. So yatha ulbayena avritaha garbhaha tatha, in the same manner. So drishtanta, first line and second line half drishtanta, example. If dashtanta, tadhena tatha tena idam avritam. Idam means this viveka, person's viveka. Idam means this knowledge. Person's knowledge means viveka shakti, discriminative capacity. Idam means here you have to understand viveka. What is right, what is wrong, what is sinful action, what is righteous action, what action I should do, what I should not do. This knowledge, viveka, discriminative knowledge, idam avritam, is covered. Achaditam, avritam means achaditam, covered. This is katham shatruhu, means by covering your intellect, this kama, krodha are your shatrus. And this desire and anger. Now remember, desire means binding desires. Okay, illegitimate desires, immoderate desires, we have to understand. Shubha vasana, okay. Ashubha vasanas only we have to take care of. Ashubha vasanas, binding desires. Now up to here we saw in the last class. Even some Shankaracharya says in another place, a person who is under the grip of desire and anger, mataram api tadayati. Mataram api tadayati means he beats his mother. And the kobam kamam, he beats his mother. Not only mother, gurum api akshipati. The shishya criticize the guru because of this desire and anger. Akshipati, criticize, condemns the guru. That much extent this karma takes the person. Downfall. That's why they say, anger in every person, it remains, time duration is different in different people. In one person, the shloka tells, Uttama kshanakopashyat. The good person, Uttamaha, a noble person also get anger. Kshanakopashyat. Konja or kshana vandu poidum. Just it comes and passes. Uttama kshanakopashyat. Madhyame ghatikadvayam. Mediocre person. Madhyame, mediocre person. Ghatikadvayam. 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Ghatikadvayam, 2 hours, anger will be there. Then adhame ahoratram. Adhama anna the least person. Who is the adhama? Adhama anna very least, inferior person. Ahoratram anna. 1 day, 1 night. 24 hours irukuma. Anger. Papishte maranantakam. Innu uttamam illa, madhyamam illa, adhamam kadilla. Innu keela. Papishtaha anna very criminal anamata, sinful person. Papishte maranantakaha, until death. That's why some people say, this person anger, idi pohadu, avan pogumbodhu idi poidum. Once they burnt, அந்த சித்தலுக்கு போனாத சித்தி சித்தி என்ன ஃபியூனரல் ஃபயர், அது கூட தான் இவனுக்கு கோபமே போகும், அதுக்கு வரைக்கும் போகாதன்னு சொல்லுவான். ஸோ some people are that much powerful anger they keep inside. I can never forget you, I can never forgive you ன்னு சொல்லுவான். இந்த கோபங்கிறது அவ்வளோ பவர்ஃபுல். வாட் இஸ் த டிராபேக், டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் என்ன? அந்த ஃபர்கிவ்னஸ் இல்லாமல் இந்த கோபம் உள்ள வச்சுட்டேன்னா அல்சர், ஆல் த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வில் கம், all indigestion problems also will come, skin problems will come, that it corrodes the person, lot of acid will secrete in the stomach. Anger irunda acids will secrete inside and they corrodes the whole stomach anamata. Appadi acid, no, they burns the stomach. வயிற்றெரிச்சல்னு சொல்லுவான். வயிற்றெரிச்சல்னா அதுதான் வயிற்றெரிச்சல்னா இதுதான் கோபந்தான். కడుపులో మంట అంటారు చూసారా తెలుగులో, అది మాదిరి. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ కామ క్రోధ ఫర్ వాట్ సేక్ అన్న విత్తం పణం సేక్ టు ఎంజాయ్ ప్లెజర్స్. విత్తేన తర్పణీయో మనుష్య అని ఉపనిషత్ సేస్. న విత్తేన తర్పణీయో మనుష్య, నచికేత టెల్స్ టు యమధర్మరాజా, హవెవర్ మచ్ వెల్త్ ఐ గెట్, విత్తేన న తర్పణీయ మీన్స్ పర్సన్ కెన్ నెవర్ బి హ్యాపీ అన్న. பட் அவர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட். பணம் நிறைய இருந்த சந்தோஷம் இருக்கு நம்ம நினைக்கிறோம், இதுதான் ராங் கன்க்ளூஷன். சாஸ்திரா டெல்ஸ் நவ் கதம் சத்ருஹு பை கவரிங் அவர் இன்டலெக்ட் லைக் தீஸ் 3 எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ், லைக் a mirror covered by the dust, the baby covered by the womb, and what is the first one? That fire covered by the smoke. Our intellect is also covered by kama krodha. Therefore Arjuna, management of anger, take care of. 39 avritam jnanametena jnanino nitya vairinam kamarupena kaunteya dushpurenanalena cha. Now he gives here katham shatruhu 38 and 39 2 slokas. Now he is giving that cause. Previous verse he has given that example, just as they cover, kama krodha covers the intellect, just as he gave the example. Now he gives the exact mechanism of kama. What is this kama, what it does? Mechanism of kama he gives. Jnanam etena avritam. Jnanam means knowledge. Vichakshana jnanam. Here knowledge means not Brahma jnanam. Vichakshana jnanam, discriminative knowledge. Jnanam etena, by this illegitimate binding desires. How should one conquer? No? So Lord Krishna is not giving lot of clues here. We have to see in other places, other chapters he explained. Here he is not explaining much. Jnanam etena avritam. This knowledge, discriminative knowledge, is covered by this kama and krodha. Not only that, jnaninaha nitya vairina. This kama and krodha, jnaninaha nitya vairina. They are, jnaninaha means of the wise, Vedantic student. To a Vedantic student, these kama, both kama and krodha, are permanent enemies. Nityam anna permanent, vairina anna shatru, enemies. Vairina, they both are shatrus, permanent enemies. Nirantara shatru ityartha. Shatru is not outside, Shatru is in you only. Problem is you, solution is you. Nitya Vairina Kama Rupena Kaunteya. Hey Kaunteya. Kama Rupena means Asha Rupena. In the form of. Rupena means in the form of desire. In the form of desire, Kama Rupena. How these Kama and Krodha are Nitya Vairis, enemies na? Dushpurena Analena Jnaninaha Nitya Vairina. Dushpurena Puranam Dukkhena Puranam. Very difficult to satisfy, to fill up, to appease. Unappeasable. Ityarthaha. Dushpurena means unappeasable. Like a fire. Analena. Like fire. Na alam buddhihi asti. Analam. Fire also never say enough. Similarly, this person, whoever is having this desire and anger, he is also will never have Purnata. Dushpuranam. Even satisfy pandradhe kashtam. Dushpuranam. Dukkhena Puranam. That's why you can never satisfy other people. However much you give, always problem even the internally satisfied. If I am satisfied, next kudukka maatan bayam. That's why the person go on showing, I am not satisfied, I am not satisfied. By expressions, by talking, by some way or other, he shows I am not satisfied. என்ன satisfied and சொன்ன போதும் சொன்ன next time கொடுக்கலன்னு என்ன ஆகும்? Even love also. Sufficient love is available, people are giving, but still as though I am not getting now. This is what human mind nature. அதனால திருப்தி வராது மனுஷன். Very, very difficult. Always dukkam continues because of that. What a tragedy, no? See, our own mind is our enemy, really speaking. Sir, confused, no? Morning one, ஒரு மாதிரி மத்தியானம் ஒரு மாதிரி ஈவினிங் ஒரு மாதிரி நமக்கே ஒரு வாட்டு கன்ஃபியூஷன் வந்துடும். நம்ம மைண்ட் பார்த்து நமக்கே கன்ஃபியூஷன் வந்துடும். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மைண்டு எப்படி பேசுறது, ஹவு டு டாக் வித் பீப்புள்னு கூட சம்டைம்ஸ் சம் அக்கேஷன்ஸ் அவர் மைண்ட் ரியலி இன்சல்ட்ஸ் அஸ். இட்ஸ் பிஹேவியர், இட்ஸ் நேச்சர். All psychic problems are all nothing but mental problems. Psychological problems all because of ignorance. Wrong expectations, wrong notions, ellame. Dushpuranam analena. Like this fire, and which is like fire, this is insatiable. This kama is. And the person in Vedic mantras, Kamo Karshit, Manyura Karshit, Kamah Karta, Naham Karta, Kamah Karayita, Naham Karayita. Kama alone is the cause for everything. Kama alone is making me to do all these things. I am not responsible. Says, Kama Kama Yaswaha. Actually, mantra irukku. He puts the kama into kama, swaha. இந்த காமம் போய் அந்த காமால விடட்டும். அக்னிஹோத்திரனை போட்டின மாதிரி. So that is the beautiful, it says. I have explained already in the second chapter, therefore I am not going elaborately இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி elaborate சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன். Next shloka he says, Ke Shatru Pakshiyan. Who are the supporters of these Kama and Krodha? Who are the supporters of this Kama and Krodha? Now what we saw, who is Shatru? We saw, and how they cover, what they cover, what is the disadvantage, what is the consequence. Over. 37, 38, 39. In this 40th shloka, for the Question, Ke Shatruhu. Who are the supporters, helpers of these Shatrus? Kama, Krodha, Shatru, Vairi, we know this Shatru can be supported by someone. Support illamal irukka mudiyadhu. All militants, terrorists, how they are surviving? They are getting lot of money, dollars, lot of from so many sources they are getting. Similarly, in the Kama, Krodha, what is the source? How they are surviving? Fed up by whom? Fed nalla. Nourished by whom? Nourished by whom? Pakshi, who are along with them. And that it is said in this 40th shloka. We will read. Indriyani mano buddhihim asyadhishtana muchyate Etair vimohayat keshah Jnanamavritya dehinam. Now exactly that mechanism he has started. He is analyzing on that only again. What we have understood, the Viveka is covered. So what Viveka, what is the next consequence once Viveka is covered? He says, these sense organs, Indriyani, Manaha, Buddhihi, they are the supporters of this Kama and Krodha. Nowhere it is analyzed like this. Nowhere. Now, namakku enna generally ye kobam varudhe? Why I am getting anger? What is the reason? What is the cause? We are just getting questions, doubts and all. But see how much analyzed here. But you don't get this type of topics in Upanishads. Upanishads in the mind varad. So you see, whole Prasthanatrayam handles, tackle the different areas, topics. Sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha viveka vairagya shamadamadi shatka sampatti em varamatingiradu person kanna idida karanam. If you handle this properly, you are eligible to get jnanam. So qualifying yourself, technique anamata idellame. So all are very important slokas. Never take it as granted. ஏதோ சும்மா பகவத்கீதை நடந்துட்டு இருக்கேன், அப்படி தலாடிட்டு முன்னாடி பின்னாடி சைடு கொஞ்ச நேரம் இப்படியே கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தா அது ஒன்றும் பிரயோஜனம் கிடையாது. So what do you mean by Kama? What do you mean by Krodha? What do you mean by these? Who are supporters of this? This is why I am getting this upset, set up. Enna problem? So what is the problem? You go and ask any psychiatrist. அதுதான் தெரியலப்பான்னு சொல்லுவா. That's why management course, Bhagavad Gita, they are using now. But unfortunately, without a guru, you cannot unfold the verse properly. They read commentaries and just they take just outside meaning and they just give advice to people. It just don't work. Now he says, Indriyani means sense organs. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, all 5 sense organs, Indriyani, and Manaha, mind, then Buddhi, intellect. So, generally unexperienced, unknown objects will never create desire. How each sense organs are the cause? Now you have to analyze. Sense organs are the supporters of Kama and Krodha, Krishna says. How sense organs are supporters? Sense organs are supporters because you know the objects through them. Then only you desire. Janati. Janati means which object is available, first you see. In the showcase they keep that bommai and that necklace. Pata nijama, somebody sitting like that, it appears. Then you look at it. Who saw? Eyes. Gone and saw that. Janati. Sense organ goes there and sees. This is Janati. This is the first job done by sense organs. First job who does? Sense organ. Similarly, all other sense organs also you can take. Then after seeing that necklace, if it is there in the shop, what is the use? Ichchati, I want. So the person, when I see a person or a object, anything, if it is outside, I am not happy. If it is with me, so I imagine with me. If I wear that, how it looks. If I wear that saree, how I look. If that person is next to me, that friend or rich person, somebody is with me, how I look. If I with that car, if I stand in front of that car, how I look, no? So I imagine myself with that object or with that person. Janati first, ichchati. That's why unexperienced object, unknown object will never create any desire. Either you have to see, experience it, or you have to know about it through the paper, through the advertisement holders, this hoardings. You see, wow, how many advertisements. Adi paatale, you will forget what is a traffic also. How attractive. So, that janati ichchati. Mind does the second action. What is the second job? Ichchati. I want, I want, I want. So, mind does the second job. Sense organs does the first job. Mind does the second job. Then, finally, buddhi comes. Decided. Take. Yatate. The karmendriyani goes and pluck. Idu venum enak. And the kolandha kuda parungo. Sharp, if you take the baby, 4-year, 5-year-old, pudichittu appadiye, I want na. Yatate na. Karmendriyani goes and pluck. It takes you to that shop. Pada Indriyani takes you to that shop. And Karma Indriyani, it grabs the things and keep in the basket. So all sense organs are the cause, and this helps the mind, and mind tells to the buddhi, if it is not with you, you are unfit. Therefore, possess it, have it. Have it, and finally have it. You have to struggle with that. That's why they say, 99 rupees, 99 paise. 999 rupees. எதுக்கு அந்த 99 போடுவா எனக்கு புரியவே இல்லை. எது அந்த 1 பைசால என்ன பாட்டா பிரைஸ் மாதிரி. இப்படி பாட்டா பிரைஸ் முன்னாடி பாட்டா பிரைஸ்க்கு தான் யூஸ் டு சே திஸ். நான் செல்போனு கூட இப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டியதான். செல்போனு கூட 999 rupees கரெக்டா. ஏன் அந்த 1 ரூபி கம்மி தெரியல. Anyhow, you don't ask for change, you give a round figure. அது மாதிரி. சரி, இந்திரியாணி மனஹ புத்திஹி அஸ்ய அதிஷ்டானம் இது உச்சதே. அஸ்யன கஸ்ய? காமக்ரோதஸ்ய. அஸ்ய. Asya means for this desire. Desire, you have to include krodha also. For this desire, adhishtana means the source. Asya kamasya ashrayam. Shelter, source. How buddhi, see, the role of the mind is type of addiction. Once you see that, until you get it, you don't forget it. I want, that is called addiction. Habit ani solluvom. Any desire, continuously you think, it become a habit. Habit chonnal H you remove, A bit remain. A if you remove, bit remain. B you remove, it remain. What is it? Habit. அது அப்படி இருக்கும். அதான் addiction. Addiction will continue. Finally, புத்தி என்ன பண்றது? அதுக்கு புத்தி இருக்க கூடாதுன்னா, it gives all false judgments. False judgments. Yes, you buy this. If you buy this, you are happy. False judgment it gives, and it keeps this person always under problem. Any human relation also like that. Why in a false judgment I say, what is the reason? Many times we think that these objects and people give security, happiness, and the notion where it is coming in sense organs, this notion is coming in the mind or sense organs or buddhi. Buddhi lada varade. That statement, that judgment given by the buddhi is false or right? False. It is not true. That's why in the false judgment, buddhi decides and tells the mind, go and buy, and sense organs go there. and they are happy. பாத்தியா நம்ம சொன்ன உடனே புத்தி கேட்டுச்சுன்னா, புத்தி is listening அண்ணா. So this false judgment when the mind does, person will suffer. என்ன happiness, true happiness is not there in the objects or in the people also, but we falsely give that security, happiness to the people and the objects, and we want to possess them. Now you understand the tragedy here. And the monkey, this person, one monkey is always doing a lot of disturbing one person, and the monkey wala, the one who catch the monkeys, he did what he want to catch the monkey. What he did, he dig that earth, little, make it a big hole. He kept one patram there, or a small, narrow necked patram he kept inside, and he made it strong, and that vessel cannot come out. The vessel is in the earth, and the open you can see, and the patram inside that he kept some groundnuts, and this monkey came for groundnuts to eat that groundnuts, and he kept inside the hand. Then caught that, all that groundnuts it took into its hand. If now hand is not coming out, போகும்போது இப்படி போச்சு hand, while coming it is not coming out because it is very narrow. Outside the entry is narrow, so it is not coming. What to do? It is not leaving the groundnuts. By that time that person has come and beating that monkey, and it is not, that monkey do not know, if I leave these groundnuts I can come out safely. Monkey do not know that. Monkey do not know parvala. What about human beings? We are all like monkeys. Yes or no? Vanaraha, naraha na human being. Naraha va திருப்பி போடுங்க, வானரஹா. ஏன்னா விட மாட்டோமே இந்த டிசைர்ஸ், அது பிடிச்சி இது பிடிச்சி எல்லாமே பிடிச்சிட்டோம், அது டிசாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன். That's we are not. That's why தியாகே நைகே அமிர்தத்வமானசு, வேண்டாப்பா போதும் అని சொல்லணும். Through whatever I am getting unhappiness, drop it like hot potato. Paramarthananda Swamiji gives another beautiful example. When you go to the entrance to send off some people, and they are going by car, and you say send off, then a hand shows, and you are coming. But what happened? Your sari or uttariyam then caught in the door. Uttariyam top one is caught in that. The car is moving. He has closed the door. That is AC car. Even you cry or shout also, he cannot listen. What to do? Leave this kandua. Because car is going, you cannot catch this. Leave it. That's tyage naike amrutatva manashuhu. நம்ம விட மாட்டோமே, அடி தடி வாங்கி லாஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஃபைனல் ஏஜ் வரைக்கு பீப்புள் விட மாட்டா. பட் வைஸ் பீப்புள் லைக் யூ, தே வில் லீவ் அண்ட் கம் அண்ட் ஸ்டடி. அதான் ஏதைஹி விமோஹயதி ஏஷஹ. So asya adhishtanam uchyate over first line. Second line, etaihi, by these sense organs, mind and buddhi. Etaihi, by these sense organs, mind and buddhi, jnanam avritya, dehinam jnanam avritya dehinam, mohayati, vimohayati. What this kama and krodha taken the support of these sense organs, mind and buddhi, what will happen? The knowledge, viveka shakti is covered by these sense organs, mind and buddhi. Viveka shakti, jnanam is vimohayati, deludes the person. Vividham mohayati, vimohayati. Dehinam means this person who is embodied person. It is vimohayati, deludes. Etaihi vimohayati eshaha. Eshaha means this desire. By these sense organs, this desire By these sense organs, mind and buddhi, with the help of them, this desire deludes the person and covers his intellect. இது போதும். லைஃப் லாங் இந்த லைன் ஞாபகம் வச்சுட்டு ஜாகிரதை இருந்தான்னா we are safe. With the help of the mind, etaihi, with the help of this mind, sense organs and buddhi, eshaha, this desire, dehinam, of that person, vijnanam vimohayati, vivekatai vimohayati, deludes. This kama deludes the person by taking away his viveka with the help of indriyani manaha buddhi. புரியுறதோ? புரியுறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எவ்வளவு மெக்கானிசம் பாருங்க. The fourth time I am teaching Bhagavad Gita, but I am enjoying today more. However much you teach, no, it is really, juice is there, tremendous benefit. You can read again and again. Why I am suffering? Cause is this. I am having some desire. Why? Because of the sense organs going outwards. Therefore my buddhi is covered. Once my buddhi is covered, my viveka shakti is also covered. It deludes me. My delusion is the only cause for my sorrow. புரிஞ்சு போச்சு விஷயம். புரிஞ்சா நல்லது, புரியிட்டால்னா அவ்வளவுதான். We have to pay price. Next shlok 41. Therefore what? Finally, katham shatru jayaha. சரி, இதெல்லாம் சத்ரு. They are all the supporters. நல்லா இருக்கு, என்ன பண்ணணும் இப்போ? How to conquer this? How to conquer this enemy? வழி என்னன்னா, தஸ்மாத் த்வமிந்திரியாண்யாதௌ நியம்ய பரதர்ஷபா பாப்மானம் பிரஜஹிஹ்யேனம் ஞான விஞ்ஞான நாசனம். Very nice shloka. There are methods, sama, dana, bheda, danda. But sama na samama போறது, ஒத்திண்டு போகிறது மாட்டா. சம பரவாயில்ல வச்சுக்கோ, நான் fulfilling the desire. Sama. Dana by giving something. சமன்னா சமரசம், ஒற்றுமையா போறது. இந்த டிசைர் கூட ஒற்றுமையா, பரவாயில்ல இருக்கட்டுமே, let me enjoy and fulfilling. சம and தான, சாமதான சொல்லுவோம். சாமதான பேத தண்ட சதுரா. இந்த சமாதான want to work, ஏன்னா it will never be happy. You cannot fulfill. இந்த சமரசம் எல்லாம் ஒர்க் ஆகாது. என்னென்ன பேதா, cut the, snap the connection. What is the connection? Who are the helpers? Dissociate them from the kama. Dissociate them from the kama. Who are the supporters? Sense organs, mind and buddhi. Disconnect them. Weaken the enemy by cutting the supporters. Cutting the connection. Snap the connection that by which enemy is getting lot of energy support. If you cut that association, the connection, this kama will become feeble. Beautiful mechanism. Bhedaha. These both will never work. Actually, Krishna says we have to take up the third method, that is bheda. Divide and weaken the enemy. Divide that both mind, sense organs and buddhi and the kama. Again kama anna thirupi binding desires, those desires which are taking away from spiritual pursuit. Suppose இன்னைக்கு நல்ல சீரியல் இருக்கு, இல்லைன்னா யாரப்பா சம் ஷாப்பிங்கு போகணும், கிளாஸுக்கு போகணுமா, எங்கே போகணுமா, mind is telling, no, sense organs are telling. My phone call came, come to every week Swamini taking classes. I am calling you only once in a while. Why can't you come to shopping along with me? A friend asking you to come there. Suppose. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to decide. கிளாஸுக்கு போகணுமா, அங்கே போகணுமா? ஸோ நோ, டுடே ஐ ஹாவ் கிளாஸ், வி வில் கோ டுமாரோ అని சொல்லணும். அந்த சொல்றதுக்கு நமக்கு இதில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கணுமே. Like this, many times we postpone our Gita classes. By that time, our life will be wasted. This is urgency we have to understand. Never be complacent. Never postpone. Primary, predominant priority must be scriptural study. If you want to come out of sorrow, scriptural study is the solution. So, therefore, he says, Tasmat Tvam Indriyani Adau Niyamya. First நீ என்ன பண்ணணும் தெரியுமா அர்ஜுனா? ஹே பரதர்ஷபா, ஹே அர்ஜுனா, Adau, in the beginning, Tasmat, because of these reasons, they are enemies, they will delude you and they disturbs you, your viveka they will take away. Therefore, Tasmat, therefore, Adau, in the beginning, Indriyani, all the sense organs, Indriyani, Niyamya, having control, Yama Niyamas, follow 10 commandments, Yama Niyamas. Indriyani, Niyamya, Niyamya means Vashikritya, Shamaha, Damaha, Swadhinam Kritya, having control, having bring into your fold. Niyamya, second line. Enam papmanam prajahi. Enam, this papmanam, papacharam kamam. This kama which is instigating me to do sinful actions. In the kamatai, na kamam, this kama, you have to, this papmanam, this desire, this sinful one, tvam prajahi, prajahihi, parityaja, you give up. Praja, ha dhatu, you have to give up. Give up this kama. Why? Jnana vijnana nashanam. Why I have to give up? Okay, Swamini, konja naal irukatame, let him enjoy. Jnanam vijnana nashanam. Jnanam means paroksha jnanam. First stage of self-knowledge, jnanam, nashanam. What is that first stage of knowledge? Viveka. When you think that paroksha jnanam, Brahman is there, Brahman asti, viveka jnanam, paroksha jnanam. We are talking about a Vedantic student here, a mumukshu, not ordinary people. Even kuda, the Maya is so powerful in spite of studying Shastra. Jnana nashanam. எனக்கு தெரியும் Brahman asti, Swamini, you are teaching very nicely. Because I understood what is Brahman. All pervading Nitya Buddha Mukta Swarupaha Brahman. I know Paroksha Jnanam is there. Paroksha Jnanam also Nashanam Bhavati. Apram Vijnanam, Aparoksha Jnanam also, which is the destroyer of Jnana and Vijnana. Second stage of Jnanam. See, Paroksha Jnanam means indirect knowledge. Paroksha Jnanam is called Jnanam. I have self is called Paroksha Jnanam. Jnanam Nashayati. I have self, that Jnanam also it destroys. Then I am the self also we lose sight of. Aparoksha Jnanam. I am the self is Aparoksha Jnanam. Direct knowledge. Even Jnani also may fall under the grip of Kama, Krodha. What to talk of ordinary people? So Krishna says, so difficult. Kama, Krodha, Vyavasthitav eva. Indriyasya arthe. But very difficult to control. Therefore, Viveka, Mano Nigraha, Indriya Nigraha, you have to Viveka enna pannanum, read, study scriptures by attending classes, control the sense organ, control your mind. First you do all these things, then your Jnanam, I have the self Jnanam, I am the self Jnanam will be protected. இது பண்ணலன்னா எவ்வளவு சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சாலும் கூட இந்த ஞானமும் போயிடும், விஞ்ஞானமும் ஃபீபிளாய் we will suffer. In spite of studying second course, even third course, all classes I will attend Swamini. ஆனாலும் பட்டு என்ன பட்டு ஞானம் வரல இன்னொன்னா ஏன்னா இதுதான் ரீசன். we are not handling them properly. நியமம் இல்லாமலே எவ்வளவு படிச்சாலும் பிரயோஜனம் கிடையாது. ஸோ படிப்பு இருக்கும், நம்ம பாட்டு நம்ம கஷ்டம் இல்லை அப்படியே இருக்கும். ஸோ லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா சேஸ் தஸ்மாத் இந்திரியாணி ஆதௌ நியம்ய பாப்மானம் ஜெஹி கிவ் அப். therefore ஞான விஜ்ஞான நாசனம், because they destroy the jnanam and vijnanam. More in the next class. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavashishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.